From boosting your beauty routine to helping with common health issues and fixing everyday household problems, castor oil is a secret weapon waiting to be discovered. Castor oil, a vegetable oil, is derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. This plant is primarily found in regions such as Africa, South America, and India. Surprisingly, India has established itself as the global leader in the production of castor oil, with the United States and China serving as its principal importers. The process of making castor oil involves cold pressing castor seeds and subsequently heating them. It's important to note, though, that castor oil isn't considered a consumable oil and constitutes only a small fraction of the world's total vegetable oil production. Castor oil has a long-standing history of use as a remedy for constipation and a laxative. Additionally, it has been historically employed to induce labor in some cases. So do you happen to have a bottle of castor oil stashed away within the confines of your bathroom cabinet? Well, it's high time to dust it off and give it some well-deserved attention. Castor oil is not just a solution for constipation. It's like a versatile elixir that's been in the shadows for far too long. From elevating your beauty regimen to addressing everyday health concerns and resolving common household dilemmas, castor oil is your all-in-one secret weapon. Now let's dive into the incredible world of castor oil and discover 11 astonishing ways it can be your knight in shining armor. First on our list, easing headaches and migraines. Are you tired of those pesky headaches and migraines? Well, here's a little secret on someone, or should I say something, that might just be your new best friend: castor oil. Imagine a soothing, gentle massage with this magical elixir on your forehead. Not only will it melt away the tension, but it'll also wave goodbye to inflammation and whisk you away into a state of pure relaxation. Say hello to your all-natural, over-the-counter pain reliever alternative castor oil. So the next time a headache creeps up on you, give this wonderful remedy a try and let its calming qualities wash your worries away. Second, banishing warts and skin tags. The annoyance of warts and skin tags popping up uninvited on our neck, fingers, and who knows where else. But fear not, there's a simple, gentle remedy that can come to your rescue. Here's the secret recipe for success. Start by applying a tiny bit of castor oil directly onto the skin troublemaker. Give it a little love with a gentle massage, and then seal the deal with a clean bandage. Now, let the castor oil work its magic. With consistent care like this, you'll notice those warts and skin tags gradually shrinking away. Who wouldn't want to give this a try when it could be the solution you've been searching for? Third, treatment for your nail cuticle. Nurture your nails with a touch of luxury and a dash of care. Regularly treating your cuticles with castor oil can work wonders for your overall nail health. The elegance of castor oil extends to your fingertips as it keeps those cuticles well hydrated and moisturized, leaving them soft and wonderfully flexible. Say goodbye to dryness, cracks, and the pesky peeling that leads to those dreaded hangnails. But here's an interesting twist. Castor oil brings its own superhero power to the party. It's got antimicrobial properties that shield your nail beds from potential infections. So in a nutshell, this entire routine harnesses the magic of castor oil to keep your nails healthy, happy, and absolutely gorgeous. Number 4, removal of earwax. Are you battling the discomfort of stubborn earwax buildup? Here's a gentle and effective solution you can try. Start by warming a small amount of castor oil to a comfortable temperature. Now tilt your head to the side and carefully pour a little of the warm oil into your ear. Let it work its magic for a few minutes, softening that troublesome earwax. Once you're done, tilt your head back and use a soft cloth to catch any excess oil as it gently drains out. Finally, for the grand finale, grab a bulb syringe filled with warm water and gently flush out the now softened wax. It's a safe and simple way to bid farewell to that earwax buildup and say hello to clear, comfortable ears. Number 5, nourishing your beard. Achieving that soft, well-moisturized beard you've always dreamed of is now easier than you think, thanks to the natural wonder known as castor oil. With its incredible moisturizing properties, castor oil is your daily ticket to banishing dryness and irritation. 2 common beard woes. But that's not all. Castor oil might just be your secret weapon for a thicker, fuller beard, making it a top pick for those aiming to boost their facial hair game. This all-in-one solution not only pampers your beard, but also helps it reach its full potential. It's the perfect blend of care and style, all in one bottle. Number 6, hair growth. Unlock the secret to luscious, shiny, and full hair with the power of castor oil, and for that extra oomph, go for the highly revered Jamaican black castor oil. It's no wonder this liquid gold has become a hair care sensation. By making a habit of applying this elixir to your hair's roots, you'll unlock a treasure trove of benefits. Say hello to faster hair growth, say goodbye to damage from products and styling, and welcome hydrated locks with a beautiful sheen and a newfound sense of volume. Castor oil even plays superhero by protecting your scalp from dryness, ensuring overall hair health is at its peak. But there's more. Don't forget those hair ends. Castor oil works its magic there too, banishing frizz and beginning the healing journey for split ends. Follow these tips and you embark on a hair-strengthening and revitalizing adventure, making your locks stronger and helping them grow faster. It's your hair's time to shine. 7th on our list, elimination of corns and calluses. Picture this: soft, nourished, and incredibly pliable skin, all thanks to the magic of castor oil. It's the answer to your prayers for healthier, more comfortable feet. Here's the secret recipe. Start by giving your feet a blissful soak in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. Once they're perfectly dry, indulge in a gentle massage with a generous amount of castor oil on those troublesome corns and calluses. Let the soothing sensation linger for a few minutes. To seal the deal, slip on a pair of clean cotton socks before bedtime to enhance oil absorption. When the morning light shines, rinse off the oil to reveal your newly softened skin. A pumice stone or a foot file can be your trusty allies for a gentle exfoliation. By consistently applying castor oil this way, those stubborn corns and calluses will gradually fade away, leaving your feet soft and oh so comfy. Number 8. Conditioning your dog's fur. Did you know that our furry friends can benefit from the wonders of castor oil too? Yes, it's true. Castor oil isn't just for humans. It can work its magic on pets as well. If your dog is dealing with the pesky issue of mange, castor oil comes to the rescue as a natural remedy. But that's not all. Treat your pup to a spa day by gently massaging castor oil into their fur during bath time. The result? A shiny, robust coat that'll have your dog looking their best in no time. The beauty of castor oil lies in its versatility. It's a powerful and incredibly useful product that can be harnessed in so many different ways, making it a go-to solution for various needs. Now let's shift our focus for a moment and explore some benefits that might just surprise you. If any of these are new to you, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Moving on. Number 9. Natural lubrication. Frustrated with those annoying squeaks and the stubborn stiffness in your beloved appliances? Well, here's a solution that's as simple as it is effective. Castor oil to the rescue. Unlike other oils that can harm rubber or metal, castor oil is your go-to safe bet for breathing life back into those creaky kitchen contraptions. All it takes is a few drops of castor oil applied to those overlooked moving parts, and watch as your appliances come back to life with newfound smoothness. Say goodbye to the squeaks and hello to hassle-free kitchen adventures. Number 10. Reviving your leather. Unleash the remarkable versatility of castor oil in the world of leather care. It's your secret weapon to revive and rejuvenate those beloved leather items, from shoes to bags and even furniture. Not only does it give them a stunning shine, but it also extends their lifespan. Castor oil works its magic by infusing moisture and essential nutrients into leather, preventing it from becoming dry and brittle, and sparing you from those dreaded cracks. The process is a breeze. Just dab a small amount of castor oil onto a soft cloth, and then gently massage it into the leather. Watch as your cherished leather items regain their natural beauty and strength, ready to shine for years to come. Number 11. Enhancing the shine of your furniture. Elevate the care of your wooden furniture with a touch of castor oil's enchantment. This transformative ritual is like a symphony of ingredients: half a cup of white vinegar, 4 to 5 ounces of castor oil, and 25 to 35 drops of lemon oil. Here's how it works. Dampen a soft cloth in this magical mixture and delicately polish your furniture in gentle, circular motions. Castor oil, acting as a natural lubricant, plays a dual role by deeply penetrating and nourishing the wood. Meanwhile, the dynamic duo of vinegar's acidity and the invigorating lemon oil join forces to dissolve dirt and grime, delivering a thorough cleaning and restoration. The result? Your furniture gleams with magnificent brilliance, all while preserving its intrinsic integrity and splendor. It's like a rejuvenating spa day for your wooden treasures. Its exceptional qualities make it an essential complement for people looking for all-natural treatments in their everyday routines. So, why not give it a shot? Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, a quick thumbs up and sharing it with your friends would mean the world to us. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be sure to turn on notifications so so you'll be the first to know when we release our next video. Thank you for being a part of our community. If you liked this video, check out my previous video, where I uncover intermittent fasting for weight loss. Intermittent fasting is a great way to maintain a healthy, functioning digestive system. The benefits are endless. So, go ahead. Check it out